Hey guys, what's up? So for this video, we are going to Singapore. This is our less than 24-hour trip in Singapore. So we're now here in Malaysia. We're going to take an hour plane ride going to Singapore, and then we will be departing Singapore mamaya ding gabi. So we'll be there around 7 o'clock in the morning, and then aalis din kami ng 9 o'clock ng gabi. Papunta ng Singapore, we're going to be taking a plane, and then pauwi, magbabas kami. To let you know guys, from Malaysia to Singapore, 1,000 per head lang ang bayad namin sa plane. And then siguro mga 1,500 naman sa bus pauwi, which is gonna be 5 hours. So ayan, balik tayo na Singapore. Tingnan natin kung anong mga magagawa natin dun. Actually, we already have booked our itinerary there. We're going to do the cable car going to Sentosa, Cloud Forest, and then meron din kaming Marina Sand Bay observation deck doon sa ibabaw ng Marina Sand Bay. So ayan, samahan nyo kami. Hopefully kayanin namin kasi pare-pares kaming kulang pa mga tulog. So let's go! Outfit check lang tayo. Papunta tayo Singapore, tigil outfit natin. Kasi mainit eh. Tsaka alam mo naman, medyo maglalakad-lakad. So, kinda need to be comfortable. Tara, let's go na. Now here at the airport, check-in tayo. Let's go. So, can you check? So, we're going to Singapore, 6:05. There you go. Row UY AK07. Yeah, that flight. Let's go. Madam, Rian, welcome to Singapore. So, yeah, same thing. Immigration, change money. Then, pasal muna dito. Okay, so ito yung arrival. Ito na yung customs nila. So cool. Just look at that. Arrival. Huh? So from where we are, I think we're on the other side. We're in the other side of the airport. We have to ride a bus or a shuttle going to the Jewel or Terminal 1. Yeah, because really this is ayun yung parang main attraction ng airport. I mean, marami talagang pwedeng gawin doon. So, let's go. So, ayan, we're taking a bus to Terminal 1. So there, bus going to T1. here we are, Terminal 1. But we're actually going to the Jewel. Yan. Isa to sa attraction dito sa airport, yung Jewel. Yeah. There is. Okay. Kinda roaming around Jewel first, but something caught my eye. But they're closed still, I think. Yeah, Nike. Yeah, we'll do it later. Just do it. So while I'm waiting for them, kasi nag-CR lang sila, I'll show you guys, you know, short glimpse of the Jewel. So, ayan siya. On top, merong attraction dyan, but we're not going there any longer. And there's still like few stairs down. Yung total nito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 floors. Yeah, so this is now the Vortex. Unfortunately, sarado pa siya. Mga 10 pa daw siya magbubukas. Some few people here. No, 11 a.m. pa. Yeah. So, yeah. Just wanna see that. Galing, no? May train sa loob ng mall. Wow. Yan. So, we're going out of Jewel. Punta na tayo sa cable car. Let's go. Here in the mountain Faber Peak. So, yeah, let's just, ito, dito na yung ano, yung cable car. I had a good conversation with the cab driver. He knows our president, former president. He knows what's happening. He knows the West Philippine Sea. Wow, that was yeah, and he talked about why there's a lot of trees in Singapore. So 30 years ago, there's a president na nagpunta ng India, nakakita ng area na puro puno, and he was really inspired. So yeah, he used that as a project. Kaya tignan mo ngayon ang Singapore, puro puno. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Go. Yeah, so wala naman masyadong maraming tao. I think we could go solo sa... Go! So... Oh, ayan o. So it's still hot. Yeah, here's the view from the top. Yeah, ang ganda na Singapore, ang daming puno talaga. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, ganda. So there, over there is Sentosa. That's Universal Studios. Yan, ayan o, Universal Studios.
Parang roller coaster.
So ano, nalulula ka ba?
Konti lang, na-imagine ko lang what if
Ano na naman, huwag ka nag-iisip kasi ng kung ano-ano. Ay.
Ganda, no?
course.
Wow, may ano. Andito sa ilalim yung dolphins.
O yung mga resort sa baba, yan ang Diyos ko, ang sarap-sarap ngayon mag-swimming oh. Kung pwede lang,
May slide.
swimming na kami.
Sarap.
So Sentosa is over there. Ayan, may Resorts World.
Hello, umay mga dolphin. Swimming.
Okay, so we're arriving Sentosa Station. Bamon tayo dyan. Balik tayo dun. I don't know kung babalik pa tayo dun o we'll take cab from here. Okay, so ayan na, nakalabas na kami ng Sentosa. Medyo maglalakad-lakad na lang kami around the area, see kung anong mga makikita namin. It's hot but not Philippine hot. So I guess let's get in. Sige. I haven't seen one. Sige. Let's go. Si Vin Diesel. Okay, picture muna tayo dito. So, we're going in Wax Museum. Go, go, go. It's 44 Singapore dollars. That's roughly 1/8 each. Yeah, look. Let's go. And okay, so 44 Singapore dollars. That's 1,800 each. Sulitin natin. We can take as many photos and videos as we can. Let's go. She looks familiar.
Sa 3 Idiots.
Ah, siya yung sa 3 Idiots. Okay, oh.
Yung nakarin, alam mo yung Shari Papa.
Karina ka.
Saan?
Yung Shari Papa.
Wow.
Yeah, sa movie niya.
Naman, I don't know.
To assist the British against all enemies and agree not to form alliances with other nations.
Nice. Okay, so another part of the attraction. So kaya natin makikita si Pia Wurtzbach. Yan. Ah, okay. I don't know.
The harbor.
Need to go down to the harbor. What will I do?
States of Singapore.
So ito yung mga tinda nila dati.
Sayang! Post muna kastul manik luar. Very cantik. Post well with your sarong kebaya. Sweet ah?
Yung mga modern day famous na mga taga dito sa Singapore. Wow. I know. Mahatma Gandhi. Queen Elizabeth. Si Barack. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this is Xi Jinping. Yeah, Xi Jinping. And oh, now we have famous sports. Si Fandi Ahmad. Oh, Yao Ming. Yao Ming, wow. Wow. This is then, I don't know, Kohli, Tiger Woods, Serena Williams. Whoa. Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Wow. Wow. No! Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Let's go. Next we have E.T. I know he's the guy from James Bond. Yeah, Daniel Craig. There you go. And then Arnold Schwarzenegger. Let's just go. And we have Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga, meet Lady Gaga. Ed Sheeran. Hey, sino to? Oh, Dua Lipa. Okay. That's Dua Lipa. So we got Katy Perry. Harry Styles. Yeah. Madonna. Wow. J2. Michael Jackson. Beyonce. Beyonce. Sino to? Elvis Presley. Michael Jackson. Wow. That's crazy. Of course, one of the most famous here is Miss Pia Wurtzbach. Wow. Wow. Ayun, so we're done with the Madame Tussauds. Actually, we were supposed to go to Yan Century-scape. Bago yan dito. But we decided not to kasi talagang medyo napapagod na kami. We wanna go to a medyo colder place. So we're now heading to the Gardens by the Bay. It's what? It's almost 12 o'clock and we're near Universal Studios actually. But we're here in Resorts World. So we're now trying to go to the Gardens by the Bay by cab. So ayan, let's go. Actually, suddenly nagbago isip namin. Since nandito na rin naman kami sa may Sentosa. We're not going inside Universal Studios, but we just want to have Karen the pick dun sa Universal Studio Globe. Grabe init. Okay. Now we're about to go. Yan oh. You see in front? You see in front? Yan, so that's the Globe. Ang galing yung food court. Ito yung Lego shop nila. Nakabili kami dati dyan. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. We're in front Universal Studios. Picture na.